At the outset, I would like to thank this wonderful young dancer, Priya Murali, who has wisdom, talent, and intelligence. I wish to thank Karthik Fine Arts, the president, and all the committee members for making such a wonderful event possible and inaugurating it on such an auspicious day as Arudra Darshanam. I'm very happy to be speaking about the Padavarnam. I've been living with it from a very young age. I did not learn a Sringara Padavarnam until I was 15, and the first one I learned was the Swarajati in Ananda Bhairavi, Sakhiye in the Velayil. So since that time, I have lived with the Padavarnam. I have learned many of the Padavarnams, which are well known, from my guru, Kanjivaram Ellappa. And prior to that, I had the good opportunity of learning also from Kuttalam Ganesham Pillai and Srimati Shankari Krishnan, who was a disciple of Tanjavur Kittappa Pillai. First of all, I would like to compliment Sri Chandrasekhar, whose demonstration you saw earlier, the son of Kittappa Pillai. He carries a very big legacy, and I'm very happy that he has come out to demonstrate here with his daughter. It's easy to call such great Nattuvanars legends, but they are much more than legends. They are the stuff of dreams. We cannot dream of interacting with them today, but those of us who did are extremely blessed. I'm going to talk about a couple of Varnams which I happened to start working on with a wonderful young collaborator called Jitendra Krishna from Holland. I wish to acknowledge him today because he's been my sparring partner for Padavarnams, and we've had many discussions, and I've enjoyed the sessions. And this year, during summer, I started learning two Varnams, always a student, especially when it comes to Padavarnams and Padams. I just wake up from some slumber in the urban jungle that we live in. Padavarnams are extraordinarily beautiful musical pieces. So already Bhairavi was in my psyche because when I was in high school, I learned Shyama Shastri's Swarajati in Bhairavi. So Bhairavi பற்றி எனக்கு எல்லாமே தெரியும்னு சொல்ல முடியாது, நன்னாவே தெரியும். So when I started learning Mohamana in Tamil, I thought that is the ultimate Bhairavi Varnam. But this year I discovered that there was a precursor to Mohamana in the Tanjavur court of Sarfoji. The original Tanjore Quartet brothers, we often refer to them as Tanjore Quartet. We don't specifically say who was the composer. This was the original Ponnaya Pillai, who composed Ni Saati Dora in the same Raga Bhairavi, and in praise of Sarfoji, one of the last kings, one of the most famous of the Maratha kings of Tanjore, who was well known for his multifaceted personality, interest, gorgeous personality, of course, made for posterity in Tanjavur paintings. So he was the patron of Ponnaya Pillai, who composed Ni Saati Dora in Bhairavi. And this is not a Varnam which praises any deity. It is in praise of Sarfoji. It is full of subtle Sringara. Sringara has to be subtle, it has to be sensuous, and it also has to be sublime. Particularly in the Varnam, there is scope for Sringara in a way that is different from the Naika Bhava of Padams. Here the tempo is different, the words are very simple, and I must say the Tanjavur Quartet had this depth of knowledge with regard to how a Varnam should be structured. They had taken it, of course, from their ancestors and their ancestors' ancestors, going back to Melatur Veerabhadraya, Melatur Venkatrama Sastri, and Muvanallur Sabhapati Ayya, Ramaswamy Dikshadhar, Muthuswamy Dikshadhar. So that rich legacy of Carnatic music was completely exploited by the Tanjore Quartet brothers. They knew the subtlety, the curves, and the subtle move of the emotions in the raga as they composed the Varnam, specifically for dancers of the Tanjore court. From the Tanjore court palace records, we also found out that, what a wonderful name, Mannargudi Meenakshi danced this Varnam in the presence of Sarfoji. It was the world premiere of a Bhairavi Varnam in Tanjavur Palace. And the king obviously was thrilled because it was addressed to him. It had all those very subtle Shringara messages. The dancer, of course, was in the presence of great savants, poets, scholars, musicians, composers, noblemen. The Ranis were in the Zanana looking from a window from upstairs. They were not invited for this rather attractive performance. But the Nayika, the Devadasi who danced, the proud woman who knew that this is what she had to do in the palace. She had to speak with her eyes, with subtlety. She had to praise the king. And she says, I have come here just for you. Why do I have to hide my love? I'm struck by those proverbial arrows, but I know that you know what I'm thinking. So the gurus were responsible for this wonderful capacity to express Shringara and intersperse it with those beautiful corvees. அதில் ஒரு அளவு இருந்தது. There was always proportion, auchityam, something which was suitable. Now, when they did the corvees, they had an idea of who was going to dance it. So according to the dancer, they would compose the corvée so that the dancer will not be taxed or put under tremendous strain. She was capable of doing it. And then again, as you know, the Varnam has all these segments, Pallavi, Anupallavi, Chittaswaram, Sahityam for the Chittaswaram, Charanam, Ettukada Swaras, Sahityam, so on and so on. All the Varnams have these ingredients, as you might call it, but in a particular progression of the raga as well, that it makes it for a thrilling performance by a beautiful young artist in the Sangeeta Mahal Palace with incense, flowers, and the fragrance of royalty in their presence.
धळंकु तक धिकु तक तदिंगण तुम त धी नु त धिम मी त ह त झम त जी त धी त जी किट तक त धी नु त धिम मी त ह त झम त जी त धी तरि किट तक तक धी नुत्त दिम्मी त हत्त झम तरि त धी तरि किट तक तद्धि नुत्त धिम्मी त हत्त झम तरि तद्धि तरि किट तक तक धी नुत्त धिम्मी त हत्त झम तरि तद्धि तरि किट तक तद्धि नुत्त धिम्मी त हत्त झम तरि तद्धि तरि किट तक तक धी नुत्त धिम्मी त हत्त झम तरि तद्धि तरि किट तक तद्धि धिम्मी ता हत्त झम तरि धी धिम्मी तक धिम्मी तरि किट तक झम तरि किट तक झम तरि किट तक தக்க திக்கு தத்திங்கள் நகம் நீ சாட்டி தோர நீவனி நேரனம் நீ நானு 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 நேனரும் சர श्री तुलजेन्द्रुनि तनया बोसल कुल श्री तुलजेन्द्रुनि तनया बोसल तुलजेन्द्रुनि तनया बोसल कुल श्री तुलजेन्द्रुनि तनया बोसल 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 श्री तुलजेन्द्रुनि तनया तदि किट तुम तरि धन तत धन झणु तत झणु धिमि तत धिमि तकिट त ते तदरि त ते तधण त ते तझणु त ते तधिमि त ते तदरि त ते तधण त ते तझणु त ते तधिमि त ते धी तदि तकिटुम त ते धी तदि तकिटुम त ते धी तदि तकिटुम त धी तदि तकिटुम त धी तदि तकिटुम
बोशल कुल श्री तुलजेन्द्रुनि तनया भोग देवेन्द्रुडौ सरवेन्द्र चन्द्र भोग देवेन्द्रुडौ सरवेन्द्र चन्द्र भोग देवेन्द्रुडौ शरवेन्द्र 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 चन्द्र नी सरि सनि रि द पम पद पम पद रि सनि सरि ग स रि ग म प ग म पद पम पद 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 नि द नि सरि सरि स नि सनि ग रि सनि रि द म पद नि सरि द प म पद म ग रि स नि सरि ग म पद नि सरि दो र नि व नि नेरनं नि नानु नि कुत कुसति नेरनि नि समुगमुनवचिति नन्नु परिपालनमु सेयवेळर इपुडु नी कुत कुसति नेरनि नि समुग வல புனி